This video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to actually create a custom user property. First, access your settings, which is this gear icon right here. Once you have done that, you can see right here these options for your users. Now, on this case, you just need to go to the Properties tab. You can navigate first to Data Management, and in here you can find Properties. Once you have clicked on it, you will have the option to create a property. So let's wait for this right here. Now, onto this case, proceed to click on Create Property, and then you can either generate or create manually. On this case, let's create manually, and then just wait for this to load. Just input right here your property label. So for example, let's name this as delinquent. And then for the object type, make sure to choose right here user. So scroll down and locate user on the list. So you can also search for it right here if it's available. Now for the group, just choose right here an existing group that you want to add it. And from their part, you can just also add right here descriptions. So on this case, next head over to field type and choose right here the field types that you want added. Just choose right here which one you want, which is actually the most appropriate. Also manage the rules, the access, and see the preview of that property. Once you're done with that, you can head over and click on create. Now, once it's been created, let's head over to users and team. Now in here, you just need to select a user that you want the record to be updated with. I have right here this one. So onto this case, we just need to manage the preferences for this. So you can either click on actions and edit, manage their permissions right there, as well as complete the fields to find the custom user properties. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.